Okay, traders, MicroStrategy daily chart. You can see the big gap down. It's tied to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down 9,000 points this morning. Worldwide market sell-off. I can tell you we're testing that 200-day. Buyers stepped in. Now we're at the 150. We have the Hall of Fame. We bought these put options, some of our traders. Okay. It's up 509.97% on the $1,300 put. You could have bought these when we were buying them back when they were at $65, okay? And we featured it on turbooptiontrading.com website, home to the big trader. Go ahead, sign up. If you don't have money, we will fund your trading account. We have capital to fund your trading account right here, right now, this very day. Should you want that? Should you want the live trading room? Should you want to learn how to trade MicroStrategy? That's the way that you can trade Bitcoin. And actually, on MicroStrategy, between the call side and the put side, you can make more money trading MicroStrategy, believe it or not, than trading Bitcoin. Once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. You're in the powerhouse of all houses.